Hi guys, this is Jessica Banda. Welcome to day 7 of our 10 days, 10 ways to ditch and switch. Today I'm going to talk about cosmetics. I've been doing some research and I found this, oh my God, so much information about all the chemicals that all these name brand cosmetics still use. You know, so much toxic stuff out there, and just to think that I was using that a year ago, because I just started with Young Living about a year and 3 months, and just to think that I was applying all these things every day on my face, I just feel so bad. And some people say, well, they're just small amounts of toxins and chemicals in these products. But if you think about it, you use them every day. So this becomes a chronic exposure to these toxins that we're putting in our skin, and eventually they going through our bloodstream, and it's so bad for our body overall. So I just command you to do your research, Google some of the ingredients that are still being used, and you'll see the products that still have these ingredients. At the end of this video, I'm gonna put some research that I did in products, chemicals that these companies are still using here. Actually, the United States had only banned 10 chemicals out of the cosmetic industry, but the European Union has banned over 1,300. So we still have a lot of work to do. And when it comes to your skin, think about your health. Think about all the things that you put on your face. They go into your system, and you don't want bad stuff for you. So today I'm gonna show you how I use my cosmetics every day. I already washed my face. I use my art set to moisturize my skin and everything. And now I'm gonna show you what I use on my daily routine for makeup. All I use are my Serum Minerals, the liquid foundation. I use the multitasker for almost everything, the eyeshadow, and the veil, the matte, and the diamond dust. That's all I use, and I really love every single cosmetic they have made. It's just amazing. First, I'm so excited to show you this. I actually made a primer to use before you apply your makeup, so the makeup can stick a little better on your skin. I'm gonna share the recipe too in the comments. So I'm gonna apply the primer first. All right, primer is on. Then the first thing I actually do is my eyes, because I don't like to, sometimes I don't like to mess up my foundation, so I do my eyes first. So what I do here, I love to use the multitasker for about everything. So I use, this one is the medium color multitasker. So I use this as a little base here. Then I use the eyeshadow from Serum Minerals that I love. I love this. So I use this on the bottom, and I use this up top over here. And I actually use this same eyeshadow for my eyebrows. Just shape my eyebrows a little better, make them look a little fuller. Do my foundation. I use caramel, and this actually is so smooth and it matches so perfect with my skin tone. And what I love about this is, you know, when you do your makeup, your face has to be very hydrated. So my primer did that. Well, the treatment I did before my primer was I used my art set, and I also use my glowing serum, which I'm gonna, well, that's Daniela's recipe. And if you guys want it, I can share that too. So I use this foundation, and it's so light you can actually apply it with your hands. So I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. Perfection. Not me, but the foundation. A little more, because I like my neck to be the same color. You see how glowy it is? It's not like, and the good thing about this makeup is you don't see it cracking on your face like when you do all other like dry makeups and your skin looks like it's cracking, and you can see all your wrinkles, and actually the makeup sets on your little wrinkles. No. This doesn't happen with this makeup. So after this, I'm going to do some contouring. Is that how you say it? Okay. So I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna use the multitasker just to contour my face. Blend it in a little better. That looks very natural, still very glowy. Now I use the lengthening mascara. There's a second coat of the volume one. Thing I like to do actually here, I like to use the, this is a little secret. Well, it's not a secret, everybody does it, but I use the best products. So this is the multitasker. The name says it. You can use it for everything, right? So to make believe my nose is a little narrower, I go on the sides, and then here, and then blend. Then I use my other brush to blend a little better. I'm not a makeup artist. This is just my daily makeup routine. All right, and then I love to use the veil to cover. I haven't gotten the concealer yet, so I use the matte veil to do my under eyes. And then I just apply it everywhere. And I take this brush. I ran out of the veil with the little diamond dust that I love. So for little shimmer, I like some here. I like some here. Some here. And some up here. And I'm gonna show you what I use for I don't really use much lipstick. So I made this with the multitasker, and I added a few drops of sweet almond oil. So I made like a lip liner with this. Just so my lips look a little juicier. And then I use a little more up here. It just makes it run a lot smoother. See, it looks like I have lipstick on, but it's not. It's just my multitasker with some sweet almond oil. Oh, this is how I mix my stuff in these little containers. This is the multitasker, and this is my eyeshadow. All right. So actually, if you want to have like a liquid liner, I also mixed my eyeshadow with a little bit of that sweet almond oil, and you can just mix it in a little container, and if you use it, you can use it as liquid liner if you want. And that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna use my setting spray that I made as well. I'll give you guys the recipe also. All right. We're all set. Let it dry. You see how it looks so moist? And then if you think it looks too moist still, you can just add some of the matte after it's dry. You can just add some of the matte veil Savvy mineral powder. And that's it. No more toxins in my face. It looks very hydrated, and I just love these products. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this ditch and switch video. I hope you, if you haven't done all your products, all your cosmetics yet, I really encourage you to try them. They're amazing, and your skin will look so much better. Talk to you soon, guys.